So to start, we're going to put the ramrod together and just screw this together. Then we'll set that off to the side. Make sure your grain lines up. Next, we're going to assemble the frame of the cannon. First, we're going to assemble the coin, and you want to make sure that this is lined up front to back. We're going to load it from the front, make sure the handle's in the back. Next, we're going to assemble the front and sides. The front has a little notch to show it which direction it goes. And then I'm going to set this on its side so I can line everything up and fit it together properly. Then the other side. And that sets up our frame. Next, we'll set up our barrel. Now, these are threaded, but if your printer is not perfectly tuned, they can be a little tight. The layer lines will give it a little extra friction. So just work it back and forth and they'll smooth out. We add in our spring, screw on the back, then we can add our firing pin. And then just a quick test. Push it all the way back till the firing pin clicks, and fire. So now let's put this on our frame. Now you'll notice that it's a little front heavy, but some ways we can handle that is we can use the rope to actually weigh down the back of the cannon. However, if you want a more accurate version, you can increase the infill of the back pieces. Next, we'll add these hooks onto the sides here, and those can go, make sure those go up and down. And then our latches for the cannon, which can go either direction. Next, we'll start assembling our axle. You'll slide the axle through the wheels and then the axle through the frame on both sides. And they will interlock just like this. Now the back wheels are a little different. You want to make sure that this half circle is facing the right direction. It should actually be facing forward to line up with the pinhole. These wheels are designed to be removable. And just drop your pin in. And then we can add the decorative pins to the side as well. And it should all hold together. Next, we're going to use 10 feet of 1/2 inch rope. You're going to put a double loop on the back of the cannon. And then we're going to put it through our chain hooks on the sides. I did have a little trouble doing this from the back side for the video, but it could actually be easier to take the hook off and then slide the ring through, just like this, and then reattach the ring. Just snaps on. Same thing on both sides. You can see how the cannon is being lifted into place. Next, we're going to wrap this around the front and then around the barrel. And then we're going to tuck this back underneath the rope. We're going to do this on both sides. Then just pull it tight. Then your cannon can even work as a pull toy. Now, because I don't have a wall to tie this off to, like it would normally be, we can just coil up these ends of rope. And then tie a smaller string to our firing pin. So that's easier to pull. And there you go. Your cannon is fully assembled.